The Vavisa car phone mount is a universal holder for the phone in your car. Let's go unbox and see the features of this car phone mount and go hook it up to our car. On the box, see pretty much basic information about the car phone mount. It's a car phone mount, it's not supposed to be complex. So let's just go open up the box. That is the phone cradle. And there you got the suction cup base, which you go hook up to your car dashboard or the glass panel on your car. And then got a little bit of screw. That's all that actually comes with the box. Nothing pretty much fancy about it, but it is really useful if you think about it. That's pretty much all of it. The nice thing about this is that it's retractable. You can extend the length, reduce the length, turn it around, rotate it around, as it will fit so much into your car depending on the size of your phone and your preferences on placing this inside of your car. Now let's actually go put this in our car and see what it really feels like. Let's go outside for a bit now. To hook this up in our car, we need to gently remove the suction cup cover. Just gently. It won't bite. That has a bit of sticky stuff that actually lets you hold that firmly in place, and then this just firmly attaches the suction cup to your glass or your dashboard panel. I prefer this to be on my glass because I pretty much like that view. But depending on your preferences, you can decide to put this on your dashboard panel. So I'm just going to hook that in gently and then firmly adjust the suction cup holder so it stays firmly and it's good to go. And then I can go ahead and modify the level and then release the clamp to actually get my phone in place. You can adjust how you want it to look like. You can remove the suction cup, place it back in another position in your car, and it wouldn't degrade the experience of using the Vavisa car phone mounts. I'll drop a link to purchase this in the description of the video and also as a pinned comment, so be sure to check it out if it's something you really like. Gives good experience of using it with your phone. Not shaky. And it doesn't affect your hand while you're driving. Good view, not blocking the road. You can have a clear side of the road and also be able to navigate around when you want to.